Pan Asia Tech, also known as PAT Manufacturing Solutions, is a leading supplier of processing and packaging machinery for fast-moving consumer goods such as food, beverages, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. The company offers a wide range of equipment, including filling machines, labeling machines, capping machines, and more, to meet the diverse needs of its customers. These machines are designed to be efficient, reliable, and easy to use, and are suitable for a variety of applications and industries. In addition to the machinery, the company also provides a wide range of packaging consumables to ensure seamless integration in the production process. If you are interested in staying up to date on the latest developments in processing and packaging machinery for fast-moving consumer goods, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. With over 150 videos featuring small to medium-size equipment, our channel is a great resource for learning about new projects and understanding the processes involved.